That was the experience.
The experience was wild. Very wild.
I agree.
All I do is smoke trees and get high. Smoke some trees and get high. Smoke some trees and get high.
Challenge you
Yeah.
to eat 3 of this
Yeah.
in 1 minute.
In 1 minute.
1 minute, yeah.
3 crackers in 1
Yeah,
minute.
3 crackers in 1 minute. If you do it, you get 100 US. Right
Yeah.
now, yeah.
Right now, and that's
Right.
true, my friend.
Yeah.
Pull the crackers, my friend.
Okay.
Pull the cracker.
You
No,
pull
you pull the cracker. You pull the cracker. You pull the cracker.
Oh God.
You get to watch and set the minute.
Oh boy.
Get the
So the time.
Give me the 3 crackers. I will set the minute. I'm gonna start eating. I'm gonna show you I'm skilled at this, man. I practice this at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, go set the minute. Set the minute and start it. Start it. Tell me when you start.
I don't want to make it 4. I just want to like it.
No, man, you made it
Just
4.
want to like your bun.
4,
Yeah,
alright,
4. I just
4.
want to like your bun.
Go on, go on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go. Killer. You want to see the time, Big? You're going good, man. Yeah. Buckler to back. Motivation. Bigs, you can't talk. Bigs can't talk to the camera, lie. Think you go to the tree? In a 1 minute. Oh, you have to have something to drink. You can't drink nothing. Here you go, sir. So Biggs, tell the people what happened.
Man, I ate 4 crackers in 1 minute, but I couldn't swallow.
Why? Too dry.
I had no liquid, man. The cup was empty.
Alright. Well, I give you a second chance. So I'm going to give Biggs a second chance. You want a second chance for win the money? Win the 100 days?
You would already give me that?
Yeah. You serious, brother?
3 crackers. Want to come on water first?
No, something different I'm going to do.
What are we do?
You can do it? You want a second chance? Just, you want a second chance first?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Tell the people you want a second chance.
Not eat the crackers.
No.
I want a second chance, you know,
But-
for that 100 US.
To do something else.
To do something else.
Alright, so here what we're going to do. So, you're going to drink this off.
Drink off that
Yeah. In 50 seconds.
in 50 seconds.
Yeah, 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
If you can do this, you get 100 US.
50 seconds. You feel that that's right? I mean, to try to drink off this in 50 seconds.
You tell me. Are you scared?
Yeah, man, I'm scared to do that one. But I do it, you know. I'm collect the money from you, you know.
So do it, no
I
brother.
can't do that with these, you know.
So do it, no brother.
Do it?
Yeah. Man, I joke. Do it.
Alright.
So listen.
60 seconds.
50 minutes.
60.
60?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No, man, we give I have to cut the money in half then.
Eh?
I have to cut. Wait. Don't do that. Don't do that. Wait, the man.
Yeah.
So, if for the 60 seconds, I will cut down the money. 50, you get the whole 100. Whole $100 if you do it.
Alright.
So, this side, 1 minute, you get less money, or
50 seconds.
You get the whole 100.
Right, that's what
Where you want to do?
Right, that's what I stay.
So where you want to do?
Start with before
No man, wait no man. Where you want to do?
Eh?
The 1 minute or the 50 seconds. Now, if you do the 1 minute, you get less money. If you do 50 seconds, you get the whole 100.
I want to do both 50 or a minute.
Alright,
So
anything
you
you say.
can break down the minute to lesser money then.
Anything you say, brother.
Alright.
Sit down for the. You want to stand up?
Yeah, man. Bell show some fire again.
Alright, ready, set, go. One good Bigs. Take your time, you know. Take your time. Take your time, Bigs. Also the time. Take your time, boss. Oh, good though, my general. No, but can still get the money, man. Your boss, your belly full. Belch, man. Good try. Good try. Good try. That was the experience.
The experience was wild. Very wild.
It was a good one, right, Big? Still belching?
Yeah, still belching that soda, man. Enough me swallow without belching, you know?
Yeah.
You know?
No, we know.
Oh. She said me no boy when my drinking time.
Yeah.
Drink all a jug of drinks on my yard in a 3 hour time.
A jug.
A
In
jug.
a 3 hour.
Yeah?
So in a piece like crazy.
No.
Hey, me no.
You know if it manage myself, you know? When I go bathroom, me want piss and me piss like 3 times a day. From 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 3 times. And by the time I wake up and do what I do, drink up so much something also, after 12. Go down to 5, I piss 3 times. Or sometimes I go straight on my bed, as I wake up, I piss. So I go till I go back to the bathroom again. You see me? Me know if I do it, you know. See, yes, me just do it.
No, yeah. Burp. It was a burp. Yeah, man. You listen.
Basically, I bring the weed from the plane.
Yeah. How am I going to eat? I put it in a suitcase and put file paper around it and
Make it stay in all that.
make it see that?
You mean?
Why not smell?
Cut down the smell better. Bag that in something else. Nah, that oats box or something like that.
You send drugs go foreign already?
No.
You lie. You send drugs go foreign.
No.
Yeah, show the people what you did, man. Show them.
See? I brought it from here, but way down here. In 1 minute, 2 seconds. Weed.
Weed.
Ice. The body look good. I farm where this growing up. A pure weed tree in I farm.
It tastes good. Cause I'm a bun a spliff on man, so I tell you.
Yeah.
It's nice, man.
A bad weed. Grand, you say, good with it. You don't feel good. To them, I go work at 2 grand in the first time. I get that. That's a pay share and we get bills and just cut.
You get Jerry bread.
You what?
You get Jerry money.
No, what Jerry after me pay Jerry, you know. After me pay Jerry,
You go back, you trust him to see him dead.
You trust him back again.
Bigs, tell the people them later, man, and see them next time, man. You see?
Yeah, we close the evening session, you know, going in on some grabber, you know.
Yeah.
We got this stash right here, you know.
Yeah, from the
Real
cops.
kush from the cops.
Yeah.
For all my honeys and sweet girls and all my cute, you know, cuties, I want to tell you bye. And it's me, Bigs. You can call me Damion, you know.
Yeah.
And this is my friends.
Yeah.
You know, we're friends here in the scheme and Can come along anytime, man, and see us, man. We have everything for you guys, you know?
Yeah, everything.
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 Everything. Little more, alright? Alright.
All my